Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer zucchini. Let's begin. We have here 2 zucchini and we're going to slice it up real quick. We're going to cut the ends off first. There we go. Next we're going to slice it around 1/2 inch thick. There we go. We're going to season it with some salt. Next, we're going to season it with some garlic powder. Flip it over and do the same thing. Okay, we flipped them all over, and now we're going to season the other side. Okay, we seasoned both sides. We're going to put it into a bowl. Next, we'll need some Progresso Italian style breadcrumbs. We'll need around 1/2 cup. There you go, that's around 1/2 cup. We'll need 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. 1, 2, 3. Mix it all around. Okay, everything is nicely mixed together. I'm going to put that to the side. Next, we'll need some mayo. I'm going to take some out. For this video, we're only going to make the first batch. We're going to dip it into some of the mayo. Make sure it's nicely coated. There you go. We're going to dip it into the breadcrumbs. There you go, that's one. We're going to take another one, dip it into the mayo. There you go, it's nicely coated. Remove the excess. Then we're going to dip it into the breadcrumbs. There we go. Okay, we finished up the first batch. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 380 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's preheated to 380 degrees. Let's put in the zucchini. There you go. We have the first batch, and now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 380 degrees for a total time of 10 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 5 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. There we go. We flipped them all over. And now let's put it back in for the last 5 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 10 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. We have here some marinara sauce, and we're just going to pour some out. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer zucchini. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.